Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Klarna widescreen problem. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. A weak connection can cause the app to load a blank screen. Next, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the Klarna app, swipe it completely away from your screen, wait for a few while and reopen it. If the problem continues, restart your phone and try again. You can also go to your phone settings, open apps, find Klarna and clear the app's cache. This removes the temporary files that may cause display issues, but it only works in Android. Next, make sure head over to your app store, search for Klarna app and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version from the app store. If the issue still happens, uninstall the app and reinstall it again. That's how you fix the Klarna widescreen problem.